Hi everyone, my name is Nada or Nida. There are two different pronunciations to my name. So some people call me Nada, other people call me Nida. I am 60 years old. It's mid-December 2024 and I'm looking to retire in 2025. I haven't made up my mind what month yet. It's either going to be June or going to be December. I wanted to, as I'm heading into my retirement life, I've been reflecting on how I am able to retire at this age. I know a lot of people, they can't retire at this age, finances being a major issue. I have two passions in my life. I love saving money and I also love to travel. Those two necessarily don't go together, but let me explain. I'm good at budgeting. I've been my whole life. My mother always said that I can take $1 and stretch it to $2. That is the reason why I'm here at this point in my life and why I'm able to retire. We have no debt except for a mortgage, and I'm very excited about that. I can do more traveling. Because of that, it took me a while to get here to this point. So I want in 2025, one of my resolutions, like people always do, my resolution is to help others do the same. I'm blessed. I'm very fortunate to be in this position in my life, and I wanted to give back. So I hope to, on a weekly basis, give tips, life experiences on different things because life is life, and things always come up. But these are my experiences, but also I've taken some courses on being debt free, and I think I have a lot to share with everyone. So if you are interested in what I will be talking about, subscribe to my channel. This is my very first video, so I will be doing more on a weekly basis. So come along with me. I want to help you. 2025 is around the corner, and yeah, just come and see if you can pick up a couple tips on helping you. All right, hope to see you here on my channel, and if you're interested, just please subscribe. It's my very first one, so I want to be able to do that. Thank you.